Secondly, your character should not be sexual. Your character should not be weak. At any occasion, you have to keep your character very strong. All the time, my character should not come down. एक और रियल स्टोरी हम बता रहे हैं। One gentleman was the dealer of CA उसका वो डीलर सर्किल नहीं गया, अल्टीमेटली उसका जो बॉस था जर्मनी में था, जर्मनी से आया हिंदुस्तान में। तो जितने डीलर थे दे वांटेड टू अरेंज कॉकटेल पार्टी इन ऑनर ऑफ दैट gentleman. Do you know what is cocktail party? Anybody knows? Anybody is knowing? Do you know what is cocktail party? It is dinner with wine.
बता दो।
Dinner with so many variety of wine.
Variety of wine.
And taking sip of that one, and then enjoying the food. That is called cocktail party. One gentleman, everybody has glasses in the hand, glass full of wine. One gentleman sitting in the corner. The gentleman who came from Germany, he took the round and went to him. What's wrong with you, gentleman? Asked. What's wrong with you, gentleman? आपके साथ क्या गड़बड़ हो गया है? आप किनारे खड़े हैं, सभी के हाथ में शराब का गिलास है, उसके पास डीलर है, आपके हाथ में शराब का गिलास है, तो क्या बात है? What's wrong with you, gentleman? बोले सर, I am not alcoholic man. मैं शराब नहीं पीता, शराब से दूर हूँ. I am not alcoholic man. So what the gentleman says, German gentleman, what he says, oh, don't deserve to be a dealer of this reputation. Don't deserve to be a dealer of this reputation. And I don't think that you have etiquette also. Lack of etiquette with you. The German man. I think that tomorrow your dealer should be cancelled. Tomorrow your dealer. And what is the reply of that non-alcoholic man? He said, I don't mind, suppose you have right, you have power. That is why you are going to cancel my dealer. But you know, God has given you too strong hands. God has given you too strong hands. And this too strong hand and is going to give you part. But I will not take the wine. I will not take the wine. And this is the character. If you are maintaining this character all the time, you are becoming character. You don't take the bribe. You help the people. You help the... So confusion regarding fame and name, you have to remove from your mind. If you are able to remove your confusion, if you are able to remove your enemy, everything will be done. And don't hide for anything. Be open. Be transparent in your movement, in your deed. Whatever you are doing, don't hide it. Don't hide it. Openly you do that. And suppose a wrong thing has been done to you, has been done by you, you accept that. Yes, I commit this because I was not. Ultimately, this is the way to take a good part. This is the way. Third example, just I am going to give you third example. You know, confusion is the enemy. Sanjay आपका बड़ा भाई है. You know one segment what is Bharat? देखो भारत से मिला म्यूजिक में, संगीत में भारत से मिला है कई व्यक्ति हैं भारत से मिला. जानते हैं सितार बजाने वाले? कोई बताएगा नाम? और when he was youth like you, when he was youth like you, total confusion with his mind. He was totally confused, not at all. He decided to commit suicide there in Bombay. Ravi Shankar decided to commit suicide in Bombay. Ultimately, his fate was revealed, and he prepared for getting himself hanged. He prepared getting himself hanged. Ultimately, on the roadside, some horn, he heard the horn. गाड़ी का एक आवाज़ आई और रुका और दरवाज़ा पीटने लगा, दरवाज़ा खोलो, दरवाज़ा खोलो। अल्टीमेटली रविशंकर वेंट देयर एंड ओपन द डोर। दरवाज़ा खोलते हैं तो देखते हैं कि एक महात्मा जी खड़े हैं। उनका चेला उतरा और बोला कि सर आपके टॉयलेट की इस्तेमाल करने चाहते हैं हमारे गुरुजी, यू अलाउड। और टॉयलेट चले गए उनके प्लेट में, रविशंकर के प्लेट में टॉयलेट पर चले गए। टॉयलेट से निकलते ही वहाँ से बाहर रविशंकर तो अरे गुरुजी तो रविशंकर के चेहरे पर देखे हैं वो डिटरमाइंड some wrong things going in your mind. You were going to commit suicide. You were going to commit suicide. But don't do this. You are going to achieve a very great position. And ultimately he decided not to commit suicide. And he became the great musician. So, my request to you all, that enemy number one संशय आप अपने नोटिस से निकाल और everyone has got either you are a sport person, either you are a musician, either you are a